everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi's Soapy Stories and to talk about Skeem Saam. Guys, the verdict is finally laid out for Lehasa Maposa. I'm convinced guys he will be found not guilty. What I'm not sure of is usizo ubani, because Judge Mavimbela akamfunu Lehasa and ufuna ukumbona behind bars. Is it Kwezi and Maroti, or it's Notile Mavimbela, Lehasa'S ex, who helped him wamkhulumela nobabu wakhe? We don't know, but guys, we're about to find out. What will cause Lehasa into more problems is when an ex-girlfriend sent him a text message. He's shocked by Notile Mavimbela reaching out after they broke up. Notile saw Lehasa having lunch with Kwezi, and although there were no romantic intention from Lehasa at that time for Kwezi, Notile saw it differently and wasn't happy as the woman's family's arrival. So the last thing that Lehasa was expecting was to get a message from Notile, of which in which she expresses the magnitude of her love for him. This message, guys, ends up sparking more tension in Cedric's house, particularly when Kwezi, who has now returned, overhears Lehasa talking to Notile on the phone and is afraid that Notile may be warming her way into Lehasa'S heart and home. Tension ablaze as Kwezi loves Lehasa, and so naturally she is jealous about Lehasa and Notile's reunion. We know, guys, we don't really know if he still loves Notile Lehasa or not, but we do know that Lehasa is in love with Pretty and has zero feelings for Ukwezi. He only cares about his child that Kwezi is carrying. But guys, a selfish Kwezi will try anything to be with Lehasa. So guys, Lehasa might be our new Mselegu with 3 women in his life, and he's really stuck, guys. He loves Pretty wholeheartedly. He loves Notile, who might have gave him freedom, and Kwezi on the other side is pregnant and he wants to have a relationship with Kwezi's child so badly. So yeah guys, I think Pretty much just go back home. Lehasa ayinganga serious. The relationship with Lehasa is very complicated and toxic, njengoba sekwa no Kwezi no Notile nje manje, like it's gonna be very complicated, guys. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.